Hi everyone, today we're looking at the Hot Wheels Spider-Man Maximum Venom set of 5. The design of each car is inspired by a different Venomized Marvel character. So let's get these unboxed and take a closer look. 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger, inspired by a Venomized Spider-Man. Jackhammer, inspired by a Venomized Iron Man. '71 El Camino, inspired by a Venomized Captain America. Custom 15 Ford Mustang, inspired by a Venomized Groot. Tail Dragger, inspired by a Venomized Doctor Strange. So there's the set of 5 Spider-Man Maximum Venom cars. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.